Good morning, Castle team. This is Katrina and Amanda here with your weekly Castle Communication. First of all, some updates. We had a great visit with Dr. Silberberg, the BCSD administration, and the board. They were very impressed with everything we have going on in the labs and the classrooms. Great job, everybody.
On Friday, we hosted our first parent involvement Chatta Latte. We invited parents to come up and have coffee and a continental breakfast to meet Kim and Katrina and me to share what's going on at Castle, and we're going to have our Chatta Lattes the first Friday of every month.
And then Math Interim 2 opens today. You can take up to 2 weeks administering. Please let us know if you need paper copies of the test.
We have our first turnaround PLC this Wednesday. An agenda will be in your box. TK and K, you will meet at Seibert at 2 p.m. First and second grades at Stein at 2 p.m. Third and fourth grades at Sandrini at 2 p.m. And then fifth and sixth grade will be at Castle at 2:15. Again, this is just a meeting to get to know other people in your grade level.
And then on the 18th, which is Thursday, Dr. Bianchi will be on campus to visit labs, collaboration, and classrooms. We're looking forward to her visit and showing off all the great things happening at Castle.
Next week, the week of January 22nd, Ivan will be back on campus to work with our 4th through 6th grade teams. A schedule will be in your box by Wednesday. Leads, please email Katrina or me 3 major clusters that you will be teaching at the end of January through February to help with planning.
And then just a reminder, we are at quarter 3. Amanda and I are providing 4 hours time carding for ELD planning. We will send leads out an agenda. Please let us know when you plan to complete this and what coach will be working with you.
And some reminders. Morning duty starts at 7:50 a.m. Please be out there on time so we can start dismissing students from the cafeteria out onto the yard.
And then Staff Nights Code, recognize staff members who are doing an outstanding job at Castle. Amanda and I will be in classrooms this morning to award our Staff Nights Codes winner from last week.
And a reminder that our school progress assessment is this Friday. We've already spoken to staff members who will be on the interview panel. Please expect to have visitors in your classrooms talking to your students on Friday, and we will have the formal schedule in your box by Wednesday.
And then report cards will be going home Friday. Remember to send those out. Make sure if you haven't already, let Natalie know when you're ready for her to print your report cards.
And there is no extended day this week. We will be prepping for extended day quarter 3. The letters that indicate which class the students have will be distributed sometime this week. We are going to have an extended day meeting on Monday, January 22nd at 7:15 a.m. to make sure everybody's on the same page. And quarter 3 extended day begins Monday, January 22nd.
And then we have second quarter awards next week on the 24th. Make sure that you get your lists for honor roll, principal's list, students earning their Block C letters, and stars to destiny this Friday by the 19th so that we can get everything prepared.
And some shout outs. A big thank you to Becky Baker and Shannon Zimmerman for helping with extended day registration last Thursday evening. It was a huge success, and we are very grateful for you staying late and helping us out.
And then thank you to parent Jeanette Castaneda for volunteering to help with extended day registration and translating for our Spanish speaking parents.
Thank you to Kim for organizing our first Chatta Latte, and we look forward to many more.
And we're excited. John and Kim are conducting our first Loving Solutions Parent Workshop this Wednesday. Thank you guys for all your work getting that organized.
And to the custodial team for the awesome job cleaning up the campus over winter break. The floors in the labs look amazing. Thanks for listening to this week's Castle Communication.